This simple habit will make the difference between confidence and overwhelm when spending with a credit card. Because if you ever ask someone or search how to use a credit card responsibly, you're going to find the same good advice over and over again. It's going to be don't overspend, treat it like a debit card, pay it off in full, and turn on auto pay. And if you do all of these things, 90% of the time, you're going to be just fine. However, it really only takes one slip up to really shake your confidence and to get into a dangerous position. And so here's the struggle that no one seems to talk about, and it's the dang pesky pending charges. So here's what I'm talking about. Whenever you use a credit card and you charge something to it, it takes at least a day, sometimes a few, for that transaction to reflect on your balance. For example, here is my bank account right now. It's $680 as my balance, but it does not reflect the $77 in pending charges. So here's two scenarios where this has been a problem for me in the past. Maybe you can relate. One of them is I'm doing something fun. I'm either on vacation or it's my birthday week and I've got a lot of unexpected charges. I'm spending a lot more money than I normally do, if you know what I'm saying. So let's say after one day, I'm like, okay, before I enter this next day of fun, how much money do I actually have left? Because if I look at my checking account, it's gonna be a lot bigger than what I actually have. That's what's pending on my credit card. And so now before I get into the solution, here's a second scenario. I actually use a lot of different credit cards in order to earn different types of points to use towards travel. Hence the name Nurse Michael Travels, the name of the YouTube channel. My name's Michael, by the way, nice to meet you. But this means I'm sometimes spending on 4 or 5 different credit cards between me and my wife, and it's easy for me to lose track because they're on different apps. Rocket Money or one of those apps don't really take into account pending charges either. So here's what I do. At least once a week, I go through all of my credit card accounts that I've spent on, and I fill out this balance tracker that I have on Google Sheets. And this is what it looks like. So I type in my checking balance here, I put in my credit card balances, and let's say for this American Express Gold, I type in my balance and my pending charges. And as I put in this charge here, it'll automatically reflect it within my leftover balance. So I don't have $2,000 in my account, I really have $700 left over to my name. And that's it, easy breezy, cover girl. So doing this once a week, and more importantly, communicating it with my wife, helps us never accidentally overspend using credit cards. And so if you want a copy of this spreadsheet, you could check it in the description if you'd like, or if you want to learn more about traveling using credit card rewards, check out this playlist I got linked up for you above. I'll see you in the next one.